Purdue has two, three groups on Facebook called Purdue Housing, and then there's an Indian community called iGrasp. So I connected with my seniors through LinkedIn and Facebook, and then they told me about these groups. As well as there was a WhatsApp group for the whole 2018 batch, the batch I joined in. Then with the help of seniors, we even found the apartments. And then it was very convenient through internet and Google search. We could see which all apartments are near to which department we wanted it to be. And then we spoke to the management, and that's how the whole lease agreement, the negotiation, final agreement had come upon. Purdue University is a university town. So, and it's in India, and it is in the Middle East of America, which is it is very cheap compared to the other states and cities. Like an average person would spend around $800 to $1,000 per month. There are times when you can take individual lease, where if you haven't found a roommate, you can just take a room for yourself, and then you don't know who the other person will be in the other room. It's just that they just pair up with the same gender. There are sometimes when you want a 6-month lease, then you actually sublease it, but otherwise there is no negotiation as such. I think on campus, if I would say, rent is off campus $400 to $500, whereas on campus it will go around $1,000. So it takes you around a month to understand that which grocery comes cheaper where. Most of the time you will be buying a lot of stuff from Indian store. Most of the graduate students don't get time to cook the whole food. So there are a lot of frozen foods that you get, that frozen vegetables and they're already chopped and all. So all you have to do is just cook them. Then you get frozen rotis in Indian stores mostly. So Indian stores are a little more expensive because they're imported from India. So the things which you get easily available in Walmart and Payless, you don't buy from Indian stores. The university is very practical. The education is very practical there. There, like every course has group assignments. There are a lot of times that the professors choose to shuffle the groups as well, so that you get to know your classmates, you get to know who you are taking classes with. And the best part is you get to know very different kind of culture people. Teachers are more interactive, I would say. They are more approachable. They help you with the research projects if you want. If they help you with the normal course assignments, homework, or any doubts you have, they'll go out of their way to help you out. There are a lot of resources in the university, I would say, regarding education, being it libraries. Like Purdue has around 10 to 11 libraries with very different kind of sources. There are softwares on all the computers in the department. So that it is very useful, because while that orientation is going on, there are simultaneously, like if the orientation is happening in the morning, in the evening you will have different events of welcoming from different organizations. So these organizations will tell you about the city, about history of Purdue. They'll tell you about different organizations that are there, and then department will tell you about the professors, about the research, about the labs that are in the department.